Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to still be doing 3-digit subtraction with regrouping, except this time you'll have to do 2 regroupings. You have to go next door and borrow 10 twice. So you'll see what that will look like in a few minutes. So remember, we start in the ones place. If it helps you to label it, you can always write HT&O to label the places, so you remember to start in the ones. If there's more on top, then you don't need to stop. You don't need to borrow, you have enough. If there's more on the floor, like here, then you need to go next door and get 10 more from your neighbor. So we're gonna do a couple, and then we're gonna have a guest student do a problem today too. So you'll get to see. So the first one, I'm gonna write it down. Remember, you can pause the video if you want to try to do it first without me. And then you can check your answer by playing the video. So the first one is 353 minus 164. So the first thing we do is start in the ones place, which is right here. So 3 minus 4. There's more on the floor, so we need to go next door and get 10 more. So we're gonna go to the 5. We're gonna cross it out, and we're taking a 10, so it's not 50 anymore. It's not 353, it changes to a 4. We took a 10, we're gonna move our 10 in front of the 3, so now we have 13, not 3. Now we can take 13 minus 4. If you do not know 13 minus 4, remember you can draw out 13 and cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You can cross them out, or if you're using dry erase like me, you can erase it. I'll just cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need to count how many are left. I have 5 up here. 6, 7, 8, 9. 13 minus 4 is 9. Then I can check my answer to make sure 9 is correct by adding 9 plus 4 equals 13. If it doesn't equal 13, that means 9 isn't correct, but 9 plus 4 equals 13, so perfect. All right, the next part here, we do our tens place, but this time we have 4 minus 6. If I only have 4, I can't take away 6, so I need to go next door and get 10 more. So I'm going to borrow from my 3. My 3 becomes a 2. What does my 4 become then if I add 10? A 14. 14 minus 6. Again, we could draw it out if we need to. 14 minus 6 equals 8. And my last one, I don't need to borrow because I have enough. I have 2. Take away 1 equals 1. So my answer is 189. Nice job. So it's just like borrowing once, but you need to do it again from your next neighbor. So you have to borrow from 2 neighbors. Hopefully you have nice neighbors. All right, we'll do another one, and then we'll have our guests come on and do a problem. And then you guys can go onto your dojo portfolio and practice them on your own. 439. All right, so this one is 814 minus 439. All right, so the first step is find the ones place. Here, here, here. The ones place, H-T-O. This is my ones. So can I do 4 minus 9? If I have 4, can I take away 9? No, I need to go next door and get 10 more. So my neighbor only has 1. So my 1 turns into a 0. That's okay, we're gonna fix that later. Then we're gonna put our 10 in front. So we have 14 minus 9 equals 5. Okay, now our next neighbor needs some help. 0 minus 3, can't do it, we don't have enough. So we're gonna go next door here. I'm gonna erase this so I can see a little better. I'm gonna take away a 10 from my 8. So it's a 7 now, so it would be 700. And then I'm gonna move over a 10. So what's 0 plus 10? You just put a 1 and now we have 10. 10 minus 3. Remember, if you want to try to solve it on your own before I say the answer, you can pause it. 10 minus 3 equals 7. And my last one, we don't need to go next door anywhere. We can do this one. 7 minus 4 equals 3. So this answer in total is 375. Nice job. All right, I'm gonna have our guests come on and do our last problem, and then you can go on to the dojo portfolio and do your own and show me what you know. Okay, Ellie, this is what we're gonna do today. We have 567 minus 298. You think you can do that? Here's your marker. Get your marker so you can do the problem. She's looking at it. She's trying to think. Oh, yes, we do start in the ones place. Good job pointing to 7 minus 8. You see it? Okay, so think what you need to do. You don't need to eat the board, though. Okay, get your marker. Here you go. Pick up your marker so you can do the answer. Yeah, it's okay. You can get it so you can do it. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, so this is what she did first. She said you can't take 8 away from 7. So she went next door and she changed the 6 to a 5, and then she changed the 7 to 17. Right, Ellie? Okay, so then now she said, now I can take 8 from 17. So why don't we write that answer in, okay? All right, so it looks like you did a great job, Ellie, on the first one. 17 minus 8, she put 9. Good job. So now she told me that we can't do 5 minus 9 in the tens here. So we need to go next door again. So we're gonna let her do that one. Are you ready? All right, nice job. So she just put the 5 is now a 4. Nice job paying attention. All right, so now we can do 15 minus 9. Ellie, do you know 15 minus 9? Ellie, is it 6? Yeah, it's 6. All right, let's write in 6. All right, perfect. So now we have our 6 and our last step, Ellie. Look at me. Ellie, look at me. Okay, we can do 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Nice job. So our answer is 269. Great job. Yeah, do you want to do another one? That was so awesome. Good girl. Ellie, are you all done? Look at me. Bye.